Hellcat.
I'm sorry about that. We're going to be playing Nobleman 1896. Wow. And apparently, we got this interesting looking ad. Just kidding. I do not like these ads at all. Is that bleeding through the drywall? Man, you did not do a good job. Sorry. You need better drywall. Jeez. That look... Yeah, who could have seen that coming with that terrible drywall you got? Man, I did not game though. My goodness. No, I don't want that chest because then I have to watch another one of those stinking ads. Okay, so obviously we're gonna be playing some war then. Hey, this is new. Alright, we got that, which is basically nothing. Okay, let's see what we got here. So, ooh, let's do a skirmish. Let's see what I got. Wow. Oh, I only have cavalry, ghoul, and blunderbuss. Let's see what they got. Pioneer and land ships. They got land ships? Man, those are basically tanks. But, man, that's kind of crazy. Okay, I don't want any of those. Definitely Ranger. Scope. Ooh. Ooh, that's new. Oh, no, did that not equip? I don't think that oh, ooh. Let's see what we get. Oh, perfect. We got the explosive rounds. Man, they are going slow. Uh-oh, someone's in trouble, apparently. What's we got over here? Oh. You know what? I'm going to take out these guys over here. I'm going to use just explosives. Not the armor-piercing explosives that do good stuff. Hello. Yay, I think I killed them. I'll take credit for that one, guys. Man, they run in. Can I get one of them? Where are they? And, darn it, I ran out of ammo. Oh, well, I'll reload while I run. That sounds perfectly logical and realistic. Woohoo! Killed them all. Let's see what we got over here. Wow, that's a bloodbath. Come on, kill him! Why isn't it hit? It's not even... Ugh, armor, of course they have armor. They're engineers! What engineers don't wear armor? Modern American engineers do not wear armor. At least in the army. Hello. Prepare to die. Hey, I killed him! Woohoo! Got some moolah. See what else I got. Another chest. This time we're gonna upgrade so we can get them rare items. Ooh, upgrades. Oh, drum autocannon. That sounds kind of neat. Ooh, new armor. It's weaker than the one I currently have, though. Yeah, I got this whole collection of armor and officers. I mean, these are the... I can have more officers? Well, well, well. What officer do I want? I wonder. So what officers do I have at the moment? I got that guy and that guy. Okay, I think I want... What are you? Machine gun? Oh, yeah. I want you. You're getting in that mix. I think. Yep, that seems good. Yeah, this is what I like to see. Nice. Let's do one more battle, okay? Okay, upper elites. Wow. At least I have an upper elite. Oh, they're only level 3 upper elites. I got level 7s. That's funny. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. They got steam carriage. Oh, okay. It's like a land ship. Slightly easier to fight, but yeah. Still tricky nonetheless. Now, let's see here. I don't think this battle needs any support. There we go. Get that scope action in here. Nice. Nice. This is sweet. Get him. Get him. Get out of my way. My own land ship going against me. Oh, come on, Turner. Turner, you jerk face. Trying to steal my kills, I think. Right. Enemy hit. That didn't kill him? Oh, come on. I don't think I killed him. I think that was the other guy. Hello, uppers. I'm getting dealt damage. Well, I mean, at least I still have like 3,000 health left. I mean, that seems... I'm gonna be honest, that just seems a little too OP, even though I'm the one that has that. Man, are they shooting me right now? They were over here, I think. Oh, never mind, I'm going down fast. What's hurting me? What's hitting me? I know. It's probably these dweebs over here thinking they can get me here. Well, I'll show you! Ah! Oh, there, I wiped you all out. Ha, now who's OP? Get it! There, I killed him! Ha! I killed him! All me! There, turn! Body refuses to turn! I feel old! Ugh. But I look pretty sweet. I got my shield and then I got the cool looking helmet. I mean, it doesn't have like the knight stuff, but it still looks pretty sweet. Is it an ad? That's interesting because I don't know what else to say about that. Oh my, that laugh is frightening. Divorce. Join them? Why is that an option? Okay, I know why that's an option, never mind. Why would you pick this house then? If it has so much work, just go live in an apartment instead of this messed up mansion. I'm gonna price if you are able to fix up for apparently free. I guess move into the destroyed mansion. But I mean, hey, they're pretty nice apartments, and even this mansion, at least 200 grand. At least, bare minimum. Ooh, now this is nice. A rare guy, a level 47, 2 stars. It was difficult for Dorgan Randolph to fight that first battle, knowing it was a suicide mission. Apparently not. But his legend grew when he came out as one of the few survivors in the face of death. What did he fight that was so terrifying, huh? Was it that one time I decided to play campaign mode on hard? Ooh, Sojourner Brandon. Isn't that a girl's name? I don't know. I guess not. Sojourner Brandon is a formidable fighter indeed, but his name is known more for his wife's legendary war hospital. Ha! You're only famous because of your wife. What a loser. Just kidding. Rather than his own exploits, he exploits people? Wow, what a jerk. Man, your wife is the good person in that couple, opening a hospital while you're exploiting people with your hey, you took my gun. Man, soldiers have been known to miraculously recover from injuries there at his wife's hospital. Well, that's great, but I don't really see what that has to do with me, because I don't send men to hospitals. They die, and then magically I get new soldiers. Oh, I get it. I know what's happening then. What's happening is that all my men get sent to her hospital then, apparently, and then they're fine. Okay, I see. I get it. Now let's check out my armor. Because let me show you my armor. Yeah, this is my armor. I love this. This is cool looking. I mean, look at all that extra HP. That's awesome. And I got a shield too to use in case I want to. I just love this armor. I still got all this armor too. So in case I ever want to switch something. Is that... This is like the same thing, I think. Hold up. Except it has... Huh. What's this? Ooh, war armor? That's kind of neat. That's kind of cool looking. Okay, this is a... That's... No. Tactical armor. For the tactical man in you. Jackson. Like Andrew Jackson? I don't think Andrew Jackson wore that. 75. Hey, we got that Civil War outfit. And a Tesla rod. Yes, because they used Tesla rods in the Civil War. That makes sense. Oh, and in case you didn't know, this game is based off an alternate history that right after the Civil War, there was a disease that went around and killed like many people, and then the survivors got taken over by this organization, and then now there's another Civil War that's going on, and I'm fighting the good guys because the other guys are evil business corporization. Corporization. Yes, that's the word. Corporization that took over the country, apparently, somehow. And so, now we're fighting because reasons. Alright. So, that's gonna do it for today. That's all the time I got. Just make sure you go down below, like and subscribe, and leave a comment on if you really think I said the right word there. Leave a comment and let me know if I said the right word. If not, just go bully me down below. That's fine. Alright, see you next week, everybody.